Located in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania, American Print Consultants is a technician-owned and operated company providing supplies and equipment to the sign and graphics industry. Our showroom is designed to mimic an actual sign and graphics production shop. This allows us to demonstrate UV flatbed printing for both signage and industrial applications. Our roll-to-roll UV units feature grand format machines up to 10-foot widths, as well as more conventional sized print and cut units that showcase special effects such as white and clear inks. Solvent printing can be demonstrated on the latest machines from Mimaki, Okidata, and Muto, as well as important finishing techniques such as roll-to-roll lamination. Our flatbed applicator tables allow fast, efficient mounting of graphics to various signage substrates. With our focus in textiles, APC's demo equipment includes not just high-speed dye-sub printers, but a full range of equipment to demonstrate the full process of transferring to fabric. APC is proud to be an authorized reseller of printers from Mimaki, Okidata, Muto, as well as cutting plotters from Graphtec. We also feature a range of finishing products such as Royal Sovereign laminators and electric trimmers, Phaon laminators and applicator tables, CWT flatbed applicator tables, as well as rotary trimmers from Keen Cut. All of our equipment is installed by our experienced personnel, with a team of 16 field technicians concentrated in the Northeast, Mid-Atlantic, and Mid-West. APC truly believes in servicing what we sell. When not working in the field, our techs can often be found working in our refurb center. Need a high-quality pre-owned machine? APC has got you covered. And for difficult deliveries or equipment moves, APC has specialized tools to get the job done efficiently. Our warehouse is well stocked with a range of repair parts, as well as original and aftermarket inks for Okidata, Mimaki, Muto, Roland, and HP printers. We also warehouse a range of vinyl and other specialty medias. Products we offer include pressure-sensitive vinyl from FDC and MacTac, digital wall coverings from Dreamscape, and heat transfer films from Specialty Materials. For dye sublimation, our products include transfer papers from Felix Scholler, Beaver Paper, Hansol, as well as our house brand Apex. Thanks to our hardworking team of order entry and shipping staff, orders of in-stock items placed before 3 p.m. ship same day. With our central location, most of our servicing area can be reached by ground shipment in just 1 or 2 days. Talk to an APC representative today and find out why our experience is the difference in your experience.